Hi, and welcome to Industrial Surplus. This is a video demonstration of our 2000 DoAll Vertical Band Saw. It's a model 2013 V5. It's a 5 horsepower motor drive on this machine. It's a variable speed through a AC variable frequency drive controller, which is controlled through this rheostat here. Throat depth capacity on this machine is 20 inches. Cut height is 13. Blade length is 154 inches, and the maximum blade width is 1 inch. It's equipped with this blade welder and grinder, which is operational, of course. I could turn the grinding wheel on anyways, but I don't have a blade available to weld, but it does work. It's got a switch for a light. It's also got this little pumping action that you hear going on, which is a mist lubricator for the blade. Operates here through this air-operated little pump. And a little reservoir up here. Air pressure. It's a 26 by 26 inch tilting table. The table tilts 45 degrees to the right and 10 degrees to the left. The overall dimensions are 60 by 48 by 90 inches high, and the machine weighs just about 1,250 pounds. And we'll go ahead and start the blade and let you listen to it. Actually, the blade is going. Didn't realize it. This is the slowest speed here. You can see the mist lubricator operating. It can be turned up to a higher mist rate or turned down quite a bit. Excuse me. So I'm turning the rheostat for the blade speed now. Probably hear it getting a little faster. Blade speeds are from 30 to 5,500 feet per minute. That's top range now. Turn the coolant switch off. Slow it down a little bit. I'll try opening the door. I believe there's a safety interlock on there with a brake, so everything stops once the door is open. And that's our machine. I'm sure you'll like it if you decided to come out and take a look at it. If not, we do guarantee all our machines for 30 days, unless otherwise noted. Do you have a blade? No, I did say we have a welder. Yeah. Okay, just wanted to make sure you knew about our welder. I don't have a blade, of course, but the grinding wheel does work, and the blade welder does operate. Okay, thank you.